Hey guys and gals, sweet Crown Vics and Grand Marquis here with cool, trick, and affordable ways for the do-it-yourselfer. Today we're going to be taking this door panel off. This is the driver's side. It needs some serious repair. Of course, this is all loose, so we're going to be fixing that. All right, these plugs here need to come out. Then this cover for the door opener has a little notch up at the top. If you look, take your screwdriver and just pull down on it. Take your panel tool, stick it in where you made that. It's like that. Another repair that we're going to be doing on the videos, you see how that the spring is shot in it? We got a lot of videos coming up for 2018, so make sure you subscribe and share our channel. The screws you want to take out are right here. Now this is pretty busted up. Going to be doing a lot of repairing on this. Then there's a screw way down here. And of course, none of these screws are the right ones. Somebody's obviously tried to work on this beforehand. Pop this up, just lift right here. Like that. Pull that up, and to make your job easier, we're going to take this out. See, this is all busted up. But we have to take this out so that we can get to that screw right there. Now all you do is lift straight up like that. Pull the panel off. Now you have a lot of wires to disconnect so you can get the panel out of your way. Most people do not realize that these panels have to be lifted straight up, so they pull out on it, and you see that piece laying right there? Busted off. And we're going to fix that with one of our videos, and that video will be in the show more as well, how to fix plastic. And I can guarantee you the rest of these pieces are sitting down inside the door, because they're all busted on this side as well. That one there's busted, and that one. And this one. So now what we're going to do is take the speaker out. If you're going to work on cars, you need panel tools. That's all there is to it. All right, let's see if I'm right about the pieces being down in there. Now when you take this off right here, make sure that you don't lose these little clips that go on right here. Take a flashlight and look in there and see if we can find the remainder of those clips. There they are, all busted off. We can fix that.